This stunning ranch is tucked away in one of the best lots in the highly sought-after Cherry Hill subdivision. Here, every day is a getaway where you can enjoy the pond and golf course at the same time. This home was built to impress, welcoming you with a grand doorway. Once inside, natural light saturates every square inch through the large windows. The open concept design allows you to float freely throughout the main level, enlarging the space and leaving plenty of options for decorating choices. The kitchen boasts beautiful white cabinetry, stone backsplash, an island with butcher block countertop, and stainless steel appliances. Step into the living space where the high ceiling, exposed wood beams, double-sided stone fireplace create a cozy environment ready for you to enjoy a warm drink and light a fall candle. The formal dining room has plenty of room for a large table to accommodate guests and leads directly into the screened-in porch with an amazing view. 4 spacious bedrooms can be found on the main and lower levels. The master suite offers a tray ceiling and an ensuite with a walk-in tile shower and jetted tub. 2 of the additional bedrooms also boast ensuites, and one has a large walk-in closet. Dual staircases will take you to the daylight lower level. This space hosts a huge rec room, a stone fireplace, and a bedroom with a half bath. Soak up what's left of summer on the deck. Come and see this great property while it lasts. Call Rick Whitman to schedule your showing today.